welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you an update of Umkhokha. Mamzobe, a character notorious for her ruthless pursuit of power, is finally facing the consequences of her actions. Having committed numerous murders, including that of church leader Umthembu, Mamzobe's sins has caught up with her. As punishment, the church initially decided to bury her alive, a chilling sentence that reflects the severity of her crimes. Her husband Difa was tasked with handing her over to face his grandma's fate. However, in a twist, Mamzobe disappeared before she could be buried. But despite the gravity of her actions, he helped her to hide, claiming ignorance of her whereabouts, while secretly protecting his wife. The storyline raises complex questions about justice and forgiveness. Some viewers argue that her troubled past, marked by childhood trauma, offers a degree of context for her choices. The question remains, does she really deserve to be buried alive? Adding another layer to the Umkhokha drama, Lwazi has finally confessed to impregnating Gabisile, Mamzobe's daughter, after weeks of denial. Fueled by pressure from his mother, Lwazi has come clean and vowed to take responsibility for his actions. He has apologized to Gabisile and the Gumedes, promising to do right by them and seeking their forgiveness. Whether his apology will be accepted remains to be seen, but his confession marks a turning point in this tangled web of relationship. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for Umkhokha. Till we meet in the next video.